Welcome back to Furious Cars, the place where power meets passion, and old school muscle is always in style. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our car family. We've got some wild rides coming up, and you don't want to miss out. Alright, let's talk about something that's gonna shake the streets and wake up the whole neighborhood, the 2026 Chevy Chevelle 454. Yes, it's real. Yes, it's got a V8. And yes, it's everything you want from a proper American muscle car. Now when you hear Chevelle 454, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? That classic 70s rumble, long hood, short deck, and enough torque to pull a house down, right? Well, Chevy's done something crazy this time. They've brought it back. Not just as a nameplate slapped onto some boring hybrid. This is the full-blooded muscle revival we've all been waiting for. It's bold, it's loud, and it ain't trying to be electric. This one's for the real car lovers. Let's start with the design. From the front, it's aggressive, like it's already doing 100 miles per hour just sitting still. You've got that wide stance, dual snorkel hood, LED halo headlights giving it that mean stare, and a big ol' grille that just screams, "Get out of my way." Chevy didn't go modern sleek on this one, they went retro muscle. The side profile has that classic Chevelle silhouette with muscular fenders, fat tires, and a slightly lowered rear, giving it that old school drag strip vibe. Out back, the quad taillights pay homage to the OG 70s Chevelle, and there's a lip spoiler that actually looks like it belongs there. Under the hood, this is where the magic happens. You're looking at a naturally aspirated 7.4-liter V8, the modern version of the legendary 454 big block. Chevy tuned it to put out around 620 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. And guess what? It's paired with a 6-speed manual transmission as standard. For the purists, you can opt for an automatic, sure, but the manual is where it's at. This thing launches like a beast, and that throttle response is instant. You feel every horsepower working hard to push you back in your seat. The sound. Bruh, it's not even fair. It rumbles, roars, and pops like thunder. There's no fake speaker noise here. This is straight pipe goodness from a real V8. You start it up in the morning, and your neighbors are either going to love you or hate you, no in between. Inside the cabin, it's a mix of old school and new tech. You've got analog-style gauges, a thick steering wheel, and sports seats that hug you tight during those hard pulls. The center console has a modern infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but it's not overloaded with tech. This ain't no techie EV, it's a muscle car, and it knows it. Materials feel premium, with suede inserts, contrast stitching, and a metal shifter knob that just feels right in your hand. Driving the 2026 Chevelle 454 is a whole experience. It's raw, it's alive, and it keeps you engaged at every second. The steering has weight to it, no artificial electric feel here. The rear-wheel drive setup lets you slide a little if you want to, and the limited slip diff makes sure you're not spinning out like a rookie. It's got magnetic ride control, so it actually handles decently on curves too, not just in straight lines. But let's be honest, nobody's buying a 454 to take it canyon carving. This thing belongs on highways, burnout contests, and strip runs. Now let's talk about features. You're getting launch control, Brembo brakes, performance exhaust with active valves, and custom drive modes. Even a track mode that sharpens everything up. But at the end of the day, it's still a Chevelle, it's not trying to be a sports car. It's a fast, loud, proud muscle machine that knows exactly what it is. Fuel. Economy. Let's not even pretend. If you're worried about MPG, this ain't your ride. You're getting about 13 to 15 mpg if you behave, and probably single digits if you're mashing the throttle. But honestly, if you're looking at a 454, you knew that already. This car's about smiles per gallon, not miles per gallon. One thing that surprised me though, comfort. Even with all that muscle, it rides pretty nice. The suspension isn't bone-shattering like some other performance cars. You could actually daily this if you wanted to, assuming you don't mind paying for gas every other day. Now you know me, I gotta mention customization. Chevy's offering a bunch of classic color options, like Hugger Orange, Forest Green, and even a proper matte black with red stripes. You can choose from different stripe packages, wheel designs, and interior trims. There's even an optional cowl induction hood if you want that true vintage drag racer vibe. And yes, it looks absolutely badass. So, who is this car for? It's for the enthusiast who remembers what real muscle felt like. It's for the new generation that wants to experience the rawness of a big V8 without a bunch of hybrid nonsense. And most importantly, it's for the ones who want to stand out. Because let's be real, no one's gonna ignore a Chevelle 454 pulling up next to them at a stoplight. Now let's talk price. The expected starting price for the 2026 Chevy Chevelle 454 is around $78,000. Fully loaded versions with carbon fiber bits, upgraded brakes, and all the optional packages will probably touch $90,000 or more. But if you ask me, for what you're getting, legendary name, real V8, manual transmission, and pure muscle heritage, it's worth every penny. So there you go, that's the 2026 Chevy Chevelle 454 in all its roaring glory. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to Furious Cars. More muscle madness coming your way. Catch you in the next one.